Hello everyone, welcome back to Deals with Lady P. I would like to welcome my old subscribers as well as my new subscribers, and those that have not pushed that subscribe button yet, I welcome you too. Welcome everyone to Deals with Lady P. Today I am participating in a What's in Your Cleaning Caddy collaboration hosted by the lovely Kimberly Davis and Diva Designing on the Dime. I am honored to be part of this collaboration, and she gave an open invitation to anyone that wanted to participate. Today, I would like to share with you a few items that I have in my cleaning caddy. Now, this caddy I purchased from Walmart. I believe it was $4 or $6. I do not remember the price. And I will leave a link below if it's still available online. But I did order it online and I picked it up in the store. Okay, so in my caddy, I do not have a lot of items. It's not a big caddy and I keep it underneath the sink. Most of the items in here I use in my powder room, because in my bathroom we keep some of the cleaning products underneath my husband's sink. And then in the other bathroom, we have three bathrooms. In the other bathroom, we also keep products underneath that sink. So most of the items in this caddy is used for when I'm going into the powder room. And I have certain things that I keep underneath my washer and dryer, which has like the pedestals and it has a drawer to it. So some of the items, like for instance this here, this is like a larger Myers all-purpose cleaner, and I keep this underneath there. And I also keep the Clorox foamer. I just love this. I like for this to sit, go and spray the toilet and then let it sit and then come back and clean it. And I really like the one that has the foamer to it. So those items I don't keep in the caddy. I just grab those. And also underneath my sink, I have like a slide out and I keep items underneath there too. So what's in my cleaning caddy, I'll go over that with you right now. So the first item I have, this is the Myers. The Myers that I just finished showing you. This is the Myers, and we use this, you dilute this in water, and it's an all-purpose cleaner. And I use this mostly for going around the baseboards. I thought that it works really good, and it tells you walls, and you want to clean your walls with it too. You can spray that. It's an all-purpose cleaner. And this one, it's empty now, but I usually have some bleach in this one, and I have this little small thing of Johnson's baby powder. I usually put this, I keep this underneath the sink too, because I actually put this in the garbage bag. When I have the garbage bag, I kind of sprinkle a little bit, give it some extra scent to it. I know sometimes I don't always get the garbage bags like the Febreze that have the scent to it. Depends on what's on sale at Costco or BJ's. So I usually keep this in there and like sprinkle some of this in there. And then I have my gloves, my plastic gloves. And I also have some gloves underneath the sink too. And I also have the scrub brush for different areas in the bathroom. And I also have the toothbrush for going around the sink, going around the I'm trying to think which going around, the handles and everything. So I usually keep a toothbrush for that. And I also have this, it's in plastic now because it comes two in the pack and we use one of them. It's Ring X. This is excellent. It's really hard surface, and we usually keep this in the bag, but scraping out the toilet, if the toilet get a ring or anything like that, it's really works really good. And I found this at Marshall's. Had a lot of soap scrub that was around that you get like where you keep your soap at, where you keep you're constantly spraying and the drip down. And this kind of like gave like this color. And this Ring X really got all of that off. It works really good in that area. And over here I have the Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner. I use that, and this is the spearmint. It smells really great, and I use that. And then this one is the glass cleaner. This is the Method glass and surface cleaner. I use this for the mirrors. And I have like a couple of microfiber cloths that I keep in this section over here. And I also have, and I haven't even used these, but from Dollar General, some glass and mirror cloths, microfiber. That's for your mirrors, and I just picked up on that. Haven't used that yet. And I also have some, and these is just, I haven't really used these, but I got these from Target. They're the Myers vinegar gel, and these were samples they were giving out. And let's see, these were samples they were giving out. And the laundry boost, I haven't really tried these. These just been sitting in here, and I got 2 of those. And I don't even know if they actually have this, but I know one day we was in Target and they was giving these out, and I got it, and I liked it because it had the vinegar, but I haven't tried that. And I believe that is really all I have in here. Like I said, I keep a lot of the items under each of our sinks, and under the kitchen sink, and under the laundry room, so that I want to just pick and go to. But this is all that I have in my caddy, and that's it. So this is the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe and be part of the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I just want to say thank you, Kimberly. Thank you for the open invitation. And be blessed, everyone, and to be a blessing. Bye-bye.